Oh, wait. Go ahead. Go take your picture.
I'm recording and taking a picture. Boom. Okay. Get the next one. Oh, yes. Look at it. You let it cook. Kind of looks like gumbo. Look at that. Oh, yay. Now there's light. Okay. He's wobbling and toddling and gobbling.
Let's put another tomato in there.
Another tomato.
You think
Wait,
another tomato?
I think.
Yeah, because it's supposed to be like red.
Yeah. Is it gonna make that fart noise again?
And technically, I'm going
Look
to
at that.
go in second grade.
Ew. Oh my goodness.
What is
It's
that?
empty.
It's the can opener.
Like,
Wait till look. Tara, if it kept making that noise, I'll be like this.
oh my gosh. Give me my can. It's my can. Get the juice and the tomatoes and other tomatoes.
Wait, is that gonna go in the chicken?
Yeah.
The chicken in here.
It's like gumbo, mixing everything together.
Ew.
Jacob, you'll like it.
I wish we had taco for dinner.
Jim, you wish you have everything, but you don't even eat it. Ah, yes. Ah, yes. This is glory. Glory.